Microsoft Connected Field Service. Manufacturing powers just about every aspect of modern-day living, from the food we eat, to the way we travel, to the way you're watching this very video. And any bump in the process causes a ripple effect felt by everyone involved. Most importantly, the end user. According to PA Consulting, manufacturing companies that ignore customer service will lose market share, while companies that succeed in providing great customer service are seeing a sharp rise of up to 35% in their service margins. The best manufacturers are keeping customer service standards high while keeping their costs low. How? The Microsoft Cloud empowers manufacturers to achieve more by increasing efficiency, improving customer satisfaction, and maximizing revenue opportunities. Meet Cedric, VP of Field Service for a high-performance industrial equipment business. Things have really taken off this fiscal year, but he spent a lot of time worrying about what would happen when, not if, one of his customers' machines went down. So, Cedric adopted Microsoft Dynamics 365 for field service to make his services more intelligent. His machines are now equipped with smart IoT monitoring devices, allowing them not only to detect issues in real time, but to also predict maintenance remotely with Microsoft Azure. By correcting problems before they actually occur, Cedric has been able to lower his service costs and increase his customers' uptime. He now has the power to automatically dispatch the most qualified field technician based on their proximity to the customer, skill set, and resources. Once on site, the tech gets to work quickly, and if the issue is more complex than originally thought, it's not a problem. He can get the help of a remote expert using mixed reality HoloLens, making it a lot easier to fix things the first time. After the repair, the tech can use Microsoft Teams to notify cross-team collaborators, including the sales team, to determine next steps and opportunities to upsell or cross-sell the customer. The expensive break-fix model is in Cedric's rear view, allowing him to stay laser-focused on his customer's experience. Sandvik Coromant has done the same thing. They had a goal of taking their customer service to the next level by developing a solution that aggregated IoT data in the cloud with powerful analytics to develop smart machine models. Those machines reduce the time needed to make emergency shutdown decisions from 2 seconds to 100 milliseconds, provided instant feedback to customers to improve efficiencies, and delivered cost savings of millions of dollars. Deliver intelligent, connected field service by moving from a costly break-fix model to proactive, predictive service. Connect your intelligent products with empowered technicians to help reduce customer downtime, drive insights for new products and services, and turn your service cost centers into profit centers. Manufacturing a better future. Microsoft.